up, Disco Spark here. Today I am playing Fortnite with a special person. Say hi. We're playing with LAILAAA today.
Are you in?
Almost. It's loading.
Okay, because I'm just gonna play a mini game on my
Alright.
Well,
Close.
started, but
I'll invite you. Wait, no, I'll join you. Wait, no,
Okay.
yeah. You're at the alpha. You're at the alpha. Are we playing squads? Are we playing squads or duos?
wait, is Holly on?
No, she's not.
Okay, so just do duos then.
Yeah. Barry still hasn't friended me. I'm very sad.
Who hasn't?
Barry's. That English kid. He's cool. Remember, there was this guy named Barry. Holly and I were in a squad with him. He was so cool. Wait, I'm going to do that alien thing. Eee.
Oh my god, that sounds so weird.
I know. No, we need to do that, what's it called, in sync stuff, okay? Alright, ready? 3. Wait, never mind. We need to do it in sync at the same time.
Oh, you're in the game as well.
We will do it synchronized. And we're going to Snubby Shores. We're going to Snubby.
Okay.
We're going to Snubby today. This guy has a scar. The guy on the loading screen has a scar and a tactical shotgun. Mine's still loading.
Oh my god.
There can only be one winner, but the last two are standing win.
You win?
It's still. Oh, that's just great. Alright, we're going to Snubby. Leave right now.
I'm going
There's so many people.
Well, it's like really quick when you go down straight.
I know, but he's going to Snubby. Weird. Snubby is like the best loot.
I was really close to Snubby up. My better was.
Snubby has some of the best loot.
Oh, look, there's like blue. The screen just went completely blue.
Oh dear.
I'm gonna need a second. In Nate, sometimes it does work. Like it'll uncrash, but
yeah.
Wait, question, am I still there?
Yes.
Okay, so it may work. If I show you my screen,
Yeah.
it's just,
What?
Yeah.
I'll protect you with a bunch of random guns.
It's on a dark blue now.
Yeah, I can see
Really
that.
dark.
Open sesame.
Take me.
I'm just picking up random stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, wait. I feel like we should have gone to Dusty.
I'm free. Oh, no, it's right. Sorry.
I feel like we should head over to Dusty. Okay.
It must have been the water that was the blue screen.
Yeah. You want to head over to Dusty? Because I usually get a bunch of materials over at Dusty.
Yeah, I managed to get a gun. Is there any ammo inside the house? Wait, ow! I didn't want to back. Oh wait.
Oof! I took full damage.
Why do I keep this in
Wait, how did you die? Then I died at the same time.
Someone like did it. It's like waiting in real place.
Last time I got a bunch of stuff at Dusty, so we could probably make like a little fort from there.
I placed 44.
You don't upload much anymore, LAILAAA. You don't upload much anymore.
Yes, because really have that much time.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I'll just have
Okay. Hello?
did you die?
Yes. I went to lobby.
I'm spectating.
Go back to lobby. Come back to lobby. Wait, we'll do the synchronized thing. Hold on. Alright, ready? 3,
3,
2, 1.
there.
Ew.
I'll see.
Wait, we're off sync. Ah! Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
1, go.
We're so bad at being on sync.
Okay. If we were like right next to each other, then that would make it much easier.
Yeah. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. This may take some time. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Almost. Ah, we did it once, but now we can't do it again.
The one we just did, that one was. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ow. My headband fell off. Now my ears are broken. Hold on, I have to put them back on. My headband fixes are fixed. Never taking these things off.
And I like at the end how the shoulders just go way too close to the head.
I know, it's weird. Why does mine take so long to load?
I can't tell. My woman on there.
I need to do a video on warrior cats. I haven't done that. I've been planning on doing that, but I haven't done it yet.
Like role playing or like walking about warrior cats.
It's like a fan-made game. Oh, you are a male this time.
I thought so. With really long hair.
You're like one of those hip guys. We're going to go to Dusty because Dusty has a bunch of material.
Oh, Dusty. Yeah, I'm about to go above that. So.
All right, 3, 2, 1, escape!
Oh, I see.
I am flying to Dusty. I'm gonna get a shopping cart. I'm gonna get a shopping cart because shopping carts are cool.
Yeah, no, right.
I'll get a shopping cart and I'll let you get it. Oh no, the structures haven't loaded, so I'll glitch out in them. I'll show you guys quickly.
Get the shopping cart because you can. I'm pretty sure you're allowed to see people allowed at once.
Yeah. Okay, it's not. It's loaded in. Shopping carts. Hello. Oh, I got a tactical shotgun. A tactical. Oh, flip.
Oh, wow. I don't have a gun to shoot back. I can't do anything.
Stay away from my. Oh my god. I got them. Die. Ooh, they had some stuff.
It's the first time finally getting
Alright, I've got like 13 health. I need apple.
I have 9 balls, so
I saved you. That was scary. There's like this is duos too. Where's the team?
Oh yeah, your health is really much. Maybe
Hold on. There's apples in some places. Hold on. I'm gonna go down here because usually I can find like a med kit down here. There might be a med kit.
Because if you're low health enough.
Yeah. These costumes are cool.
All these crystal things that will
No, they don't heal you. They don't heal
They
you.
just give you shield.
Yeah. They don't give you anything. They just make you jump cool.
Oh, okay. And then I'm accidentally
Ooh. Well, rest in peace.
Oh, you got
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah. The near where I died. Rest in peace.
Oh no, they probably
They had a dinosaur backpack.
that time they didn't even have the trials or like it was like a few shots. I think they're really good. I'm not sure what it was then.
Yeah. Dusty's a really good place.
Yeah.
Let's go there again. Yeah.
Because it's like the middle, a lot of people go there because it's most likely the safest place.
Yeah.
And if the storm goes somewhere else, then because you're in the middle, you can easily get there.
Dusty has a lot of stuff too. Has like shopping carts, chests, material.
But it's really small.
The highest amount of material I've got from Dusty was about 950.
Wow. At least I'm a female this time.
I forgot what I was. I wasn't paying attention. The guy on the loading screen has a scar, and the guy with the blondie has a tactical shotgun.
I think you're male.
I am? Oh, I am. Hello, Bob. My name is Bob. I am Bob. Woof.
Okay, where are we going to? Dusty?
Yeah. Right in the dead center. Dead center. My rage. Look at the map. The rage.
Well, I've got like a lot of stuff except they don't go.
I'm gonna wait till we're right over Dusty. Dusty. Like every season, there's like more trees grow there. Cause last season there were just no trees. It was just dirt.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't even know this. Oh yeah, there was. I think I'm crashing. I'm just frozen in the air.
Now you're still going towards. Stuff.
I think I crashed.
We got no.
Yeah,
You have. You're still in the game. You're just casually flying away.
It's already left, so it might. I'm reopening it. So.
Hold on, I'm gonna try to do this match. I got 10 bandages, so I'm not giving up that easy. You're still in. No, you're gone.
Okay. No, that's fine. 5 minutes.
Okay.
Wait, for a redo, where are we gonna go?
Hold on, I just got a med kit. This is where I died last time. So just for the sake of it.
Oh god, okay, I have to go, yeah.
Yeah. Tay's hiding in the building. Knock it down. Alright. Right. I'll invite you to the party.
Yeah, I'm still.
LAILAAA. Invite to party. LAILAAA. Whisper. What's up? The call died. Well, rest in peace. Well, that'll be it for this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy it. I try to upload every single day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.